Hello friends, welcome to Freshers Live. Today is 2nd April. Here I will discuss all the important questions that may be asked from today's current affairs and important facts related with each question. So watch the video very carefully and try to answer the question asked at the end of the video. You can download the PDF of the video from the link provided in the description. You can also download the PDF from our website as well as Telegram groups. Also, you can find the link for the Hindi version of this video in the below given description box. The link for the Hindi current affairs is given there. Before moving forward, let's check the answer for the question asked in the last video. Who is the current president of Slovakia? The correct answer is option D, Andrzej Kiska. Now, let's begin our session for today. Here comes our question number 1. Which team won ICC Test Championship match for third straight year? The correct answer is option C, India. India have won ICC Test Championship match for the third year in a row after finishing at the top of ICC Test team ranking on the cut-off date of April 1. India have also been awarded $1 million cash prize. New Zealand, who are ranked second, won $5 lakh prize money after finishing with 108 points, 8 behind India. South Africa finished third with 105 points. 9 test nations will compete across 27 series and 71 test matches to reach the ICC World Test Championship final in 2021, where the World Test Championship will be crowned. Now let me share few more informations about ICC World Test Championship. The administrator is International Cricket Council. The format is Test cricket. The first edition were 2019-21. The next edition is 2021-23. The number of teams are 9. Heading to our question number 2. Dash partnered with Google to become the first Indian company to launch voice-based financial transaction. The correct answer is option D, Reliance Mutual Fund. The Reliance Nippon Life Asset Management joined hands with Google to enable the customers of Reliance Mutual Fund to carry out voice-based financial transaction. RNAM becomes the first company in India to provide conversational interface that would help customers regarding funds transactions. In the first phase, the functionality would be launched in Reliance Simply Save app for the customers. Now let me share few points about Reliance Nippon Life Asset Management. It is a joint venture between Anil Ambani-led Reliance Capital and Japan's Nippon Life Insurance Company Limited. The CEO is Sundeep Sikka. It was founded in the year 1995. Moving to our question number 3. Who won Bahrain Grand Prix 2019? The correct answer is option C, Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton won Bahrain Grand Prix 2019 title. He defeated Valtteri Bottas of Finland, who secured second position. Charles Leclerc was finished with third position and becoming Ferrari's youngest ever race winner at the age of 21. The Bahrain Grand Prix is a Formula 1 championship race in Bahrain which is sponsored by Gulf Air. Now let me share few points about Bahrain Grand Prix 2019. The first race took place at the Bahrain International Circuit on 4th April 2004. Number of times held is 15. It was first held in the year 2004. The most wins in drivers is Germany's Sebastian Vettel. The most wins constructor is Italy Ferrari. Heading to our question number 4. When is the World Autism Awareness Day observed? The correct answer is Option C, April 2nd. World Autism Awareness Day is an internationally recognized day observed on 2nd April every year. The aim is to encourage member states of the United Nations to take measures to raise awareness about people with autism spectrum disorder throughout the world. The theme of 2019 is Assistive Technologies Active Participation. It was designed by the United Nations General Assembly. World Autism Awareness Day passed in Council on 1st November 2007 and adopted on 18th December 2007. It was proposed by the United Nations representative from Qatar, Her Highness Sheikh Moza bint Nasser Al Miznid, consort of His Highness Sheikh Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani, the Emirate of the State of Qatar, and supported by all member states. World Autism Day is one of the only 7 official health-specific UN days. The day itself brings individual autism organizations together all around the world to aid in things like research, diagnosis, treatment, and overall acceptance for those affected by this developmental disorder. Moving to our question number 5. Which comic character became the first inductee of Comic Con Museum's Character Hall of Fame? The correct answer is option A, Batman. Batman became the first inductee of Comic Con Museum's Character Hall of Fame in a ceremony at 50th Annual Comic Con International in San Diego, USA on 17th July 2019. Batman is a fictional character of DC Comics. Batman first appeared in Detective Comics number 27 in 1939. Character of Batman was created by artist Bob Kane and writer Bill Finger. Heading to our question number 6. In which state did the center plan to set up a terror monitoring group against terror financing and terror related activities? The correct answer is option A, Jammu and Kashmir. The United Home Ministry has announced setting up a terror monitoring group to ensure synergized and concerted action against terror financing and terror related activities in Jammu and Kashmir. The TMG will act against all registered cases related to terror financing and terror related activities and bring them to a logical conclusion. It will identify all key persons including leaders of the organization who are involved in supporting terrorism in any form and take concerted action against them. It will investigate the networks of various channels being used to fund terror and terror related activities and take actions to stop the flow of such funds. The 7-member TMG shall be headed by the Jammu and Kashmir Additional Director General of Police and have representatives from the Intelligence Bureau, Central Bureau of Investigation, National Investigation Agency, Central Board of Direct Taxes and Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs. The Jammu and Kashmir Police Inspector General shall be the 7th member of the TMG. Moving to our question number 7. Which of the following bank is the 3rd largest bank in India? The correct answer is option B, Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda is now the 3rd largest bank in India after State Bank of India and HDFC Bank. Bank of Baroda became the 2nd largest public sector undertaking bank after merging Dena Bank and Vijaya Bank into itself a part of the first 3-way amalgamation. Following the merger, the number of PSBs has come down to 18. The consolidated bank will have over 9,500 branches, 13,400 ATMs, 85,000 employees to serve 12 crore customers. The bank will have a business mix of rupees 15 lakh crore of balance sheet with deposits and advances of rupees 8.75 lakh crore and rupees 6.25 lakh crore respectively. Post amalgamation, the bank will have a 22% market share in Gujarat and 8 to 10% market share in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. Heading to our question number 8. When is the Rajasthan Day observed? The correct answer is option A, March 30th. Rajasthan Day is celebrated every year on March 30th to commemorate the day on which the state of Rajasthan came into existence. Rajasthan, earlier known as Rajputana, came into existence on March 30th, 1949. Before independence, Rajasthan was comprised of around 21 small and big princely states. The princely states were annexed to the Union of India on 15th August 1947, but their unification could be accomplished only later. Rajasthan Union came into existence by the Union of States, namely Banswara, Bundi, Dungarpur, Jhalawar, Kishangarh, Pratapgarh, Chapura, Tonk and Kota on 25th March 1948. The United States of Rajasthan was inaugurated by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru on 18th April 1948. Greater Rajasthan states like Bikaner, Jaisalmer, Jaipur and Jodhpur got merged and formed Greater Rajasthan on 30th March 1949, which was inaugurated by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Later, Rajasthan was further merged with Sirohi, Ajmer Mirwara region, Madhya Pradesh, Banpura Tehsil and Abu of Gujarat. Moving to our question number 9. Which of the following is to vote through ballot papers in the Lok Sabha election 2019? The correct answer is option D, Nizamabad, Telangana. The people of the Nizamabad in Telangana is to vote through ballot papers in the Lok Sabha polls 2019, while the entire country will vote in electronic voting machines. For the Lok Sabha polls 2019 in the Nizamabad Lok Sabha seat, there are 185 candidates in the contention. One electronic voting machine can accommodate only 16 candidates and a maximum of 4 electronic voting machines can be used in one polling booth. Now, the Election Commission is forced to switch back to the practice of ballot papers. Of the 185 candidates in contention, 178 are farmers who cultivate turmeric and jowar. They are contesting polls to highlight their demand for the remunerative price for their crops. The Nizamabad Lok Sabha constituency has received around 200 nominations. Of these, some were rejected and 189 candidates remained in contention after the scrutiny of nomination papers. Of these, 4 candidates withdrew their nomination papers. Heading to our last question, question number 10. What is the name of Japan's new imperial era, which is set to begin on 1st May 2019? The correct answer is option D, Reiwa. Reiwa will be the name of the new era when Prince Naruto succeeds his father, Emperor Akito, whose abdication on April 30 will end the 31-year Heisei era since 1989. While Rei means good and beautiful as well as order or command, Wa means peace or harmony. Japan imported the imperial calendar system from China about 1300 years ago. Starting with the Meiji era, it adopted the practice of one emperor, one era name. Now let me share few points about Japan. The emperor is Akito. The prime minister is Shinzo Abe. The capital is Tokyo. The currency is Japanese yen. To conclude this session, Here comes the question of the day. How many public sector banks are there in India at present? Try to answer the question and drop your answer in the comment box. Okay friends, that's for today. Thanks for watching our video. If you find the information provided in our video useful, please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Follow us regularly to stay updated on current affairs. Dear friends, are you looking for a job? End your search now. Visit fresherslife.com, the next generation of placement network. Register yourself today and get placed in top companies. Until then, this is Freshers Life signing out from Current Affairs video. Take care.